Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit short videos for YouTube channels. So first of all you have to select an editing app. I'm using an editing app name as InShot. You have to open any editing app you are using. Then you have to select on videos in the video you want to edit. We are editing a short video, so first of all you have to set the ratio of the short video. Here you can see an option of Canva. From there you can see ratio and you have to select the ratio of a short video. The ratio of a short video is 9.16. From there you have to select a ratio and zoom the video and remove all the extra sides of the video and only the main topic, only the main content on the screen. So again, the short timing of the short video is maximum 15 seconds, so you have to set the speed to the 15 second. Now my video speed is 30, so I double the speed and 2x the speed, and now it's a 15 second. Now it's the normal speed for the shorts. Now you have to remove the sound, because for the short videos we use sound from the YouTube channels or YouTube videos. YouTube's have a lot of sound you can use from that according to your video. Then to make your video attractive, you can click on stickers and add any stickers or search any stickers you want. It makes your video attractive and amazing, look like wow. So next step is the most important step of a YouTube short video is to write your name in the video. If you don't write name in the video, it will be a copyright content. So you have to must write your name in every YouTube video. So here I'm writing my YouTube channel name. So this is very basic steps to create a short video easily. So the next step is click on save. Here you can save the video. Now your video is saved in a gallery and you can easily upload. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel.